Hi guys. Well, I'm trying something new. It's for Father's Day, and it's a hidden message on a belt that I'm making for my son. And I've got the heat press set to 300, and I figured out that he puts the belt on this way, so the buckle goes on the left. And I'm told, and I know this because I've tried it before, but it still makes me nervous, that with this is our 1, 2, 3 flex. You don't have to use a release paper, so I'm not going to do it, so we'll do this together. And this says, "I'm so proud of the father you've become," and again, it's on leather. Oh. All right, and you only have to press this for 3 seconds. That doesn't seem like very long, does it? But let's do it. Okay, I don't know, I could melt everything or blow everything up, but we'll do it together. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. And this is a cold peel. So I'm going to put this on here. Oh, I heard from one of our group members that she puts her block, her cooling block, and you can get this at a Home Depot or scrap, it's marble or granite. She puts hers in the refrigerator. I think that's so smart. All right. If this works, it's going to be the fastest Father's Day gift ever. Oh my gosh. Look at this, guys. It worked. So look. That's cool, right? So he'll always see that when he puts that on. Happy Father's Day, RJ. Bye. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit that little bell button so you'll be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks, everyone.